After almost 6 months, schools in some states will reopen their gates to senior students, and a long list of rules to be followed as per the COVID-19 protocol announced in Unlock 4 by the central government as per a report. In the Unlock 4 guidelines, the Union Home Ministry had permitted schools to reopen from September 21st but left the final call to the states. It did, however, lay down a set of rules for schools to reopen. Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare Narendra Singh Tomar moved 2 contentious farm bills in Rajya Sabha, kicking off a major showdown with the opposition. This comes even as farmers continue to protest across states, especially in Punjab and Haryana, despite Prime Minister Narendra Modi's assurances. Shiromani Akali Dal's Rajya Sabha MP Naresh Gujral slammed the centre over the 2 farm bills in the upper house today and warned the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party against taking farmers' protests lightly. Demanding that the bills be sent to a select committee to address the issues raised by farmers, Gujral said that they are requesting the government again and again so that all stakeholders can be heard. A tree plantation program initiated by Kukching District United Clubs organisation Kaduko from September 10th at Kukching concluded today. It was organised under the guidance of All Manipur United Clubs organisation AMUCO. Eastern Popular Club Imphal today organised a cleanliness program along Imphal-Ukhrul Road to mark the birth anniversary of Lamjingba Hijam Iraport. The club organised similar program at Kurai Sajollekai High School campus. A one-day sensitization program on COVID-19 for the students of BA LLB 6th semester of Royal Academy of Law RAL Oinam was held today at the Academy's conference hall. The program was organized by the Academy in collaboration with Indian Red Cross Society, IRCS Bishnupur District Branch, IRCS Manipur State Branch and IRCS National Headquarters, New Delhi. For the 3rd time, the Friendly Environment Warriors Ziribam today organized a tree plantation program. Saplings were planted on the roadsides of multi-sports complex at Ziribam during the program. An induction program for newly joined members of Indian Red Cross Society Imphal East District Branch was held today at the branch mini conference hall located at Gandhi Avenue in Imphal. Indian Red Cross Society Imphal East Branch Chairman Narendra Ningomba attended the function as president. Marking 70th birthday of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, BJP Imphal West today observed Seva Saptah, during which edibles and face masks were distributed to old age homes and children homes.